Here's a simple test for you to understand how your hips function. Reach your hands up over your head and do a squat. When you squat, do you notice if one of your knees collapses inward, outward, or maybe both collapse inward or outward? Try this really simple exercise to restore balance back to both your hips. First, lie down on the ground. Put your feet flat on the wall so that your knees end up directly above your hips. Put your feet up against the wall so your knees are at a 90-degree angle and your ankle is in alignment with your knee, not above, not below, not outside, not inside. Put both your arms out to your sides at about a 45-degree angle with your palms up and slowly roll your knees outward. Bring your knees back together, touching the knees together. As you do this, try not to let one foot or both feet twist outward. Keep the outer edge of your feet glued to the wall as the bottoms of your feet turn to face each other. What you're asking the body to do here is to externally rotate both hips together at the same time. You're asking the left and right sides to be coordinated. If you have a wobbly hip that causes a knee to fall inward or outward when you squat, this exercise could very well help modify that and make it more efficient, smoother, and keep both knees pointed straight ahead. You're also asking both feet to be pointed straight ahead. Obviously, this is necessary for you to be able to squat if you're asking both sides of the body to do the same thing at the same time. We need this motion and this function as well when we're walking. Ideally, when we're walking straight ahead, we're not wasting energy by one or both feet turning outward. So let's pay attention to what's actually happening here as you ask both sides of the body to move together at the same time. Are they actually doing that? Or is this motion a little bit choppy? Do you notice that instead of both knees moving apart and back together at the same speed at the same time, that instead they're actually kind of jittery, that one leg has to move and then the other leg has to move? Keep working on this and you'll start to notice that both of your hips coordinate better together and move simultaneously. Now let's move your hips wider. You're going to internally rotate both hips by moving your feet as far apart as you can while still being able to bring your knees together. There shouldn't be any pain while doing this, so find a range of motion that's comfortable for you. We should both be able to internally rotate and externally rotate our hips. And we're just doing the same exact thing here. Pay attention though, if your feet start to twist outward and make an adjustment to turn them to point straight back up the wall, if you notice that they're doing that. Try each of these positions for 4 continuous minutes. And then I want you to get back up and test this squat again. After you finish that exercise, go ahead and do another squat. Reach both hands up in the air and go down for your squat. Did your knees stay in better alignment? Did you notice any difference in the function of your hips? Go ahead, drop a comment below. Let me know how that exercise worked for you.